Hey everybody, welcome to the University of Colorado at Boulder, the aerospace building. We're going to be showing you around room 420, the BASIL lab. We're going to start by talking with one of our PhD students, Riley. But if you haven't already, check out our website for more details on the work that we're doing. All right, let's go in. Hey Riley.
Hey guys, my name is Riley. I'm a second year PhD student. I'm working on the CubeSat Canvas. Canvas is going to measure very low frequency waves in low Earth orbit. We've got some really cool hardware over here. This is a prototype of the electric field antenna that's going to be on Canvas. And this is a prototype of the search coils that are going to be deployed at the end of a boom on Canvas. So we've got a lot of preamp boards and hardware over here. We're also doing a lot of software and data analysis. And we're really excited. We're going to be building Canvas within the next year. So stuff's looking really good. And next you guys are going to be talking to Joe.
Awesome. Hey Joe.
Hi, I'm a senior in aerospace engineering right now, working on the APEX mission, the atmospheric effects of precipitation through energetic X-rays. So currently I'm working on the electronics for the X-ray spectrometer. As you can see, we have a lot of great lab equipment here to support the development that we have, building all the instruments and electronics to go up into space. A lot of awesome support we have, and we're just getting more and more every day. And now for Parash.
Thanks. Hey, I'm Parash, and I'm also a first-year student in the Layer Lab. I've been working on all-sky detection cameras that run throughout the night, and they automatically detect whenever a meteor goes through the sky. We hope that we can find a correlation between meteors and VLF signals, and hopefully we'll see any results coming in the next few months. I've gotten to go and do a lot of cool field work, and I've gotten to go to West Colorado, and soon I'll be going to Utah and Wyoming to go set up more of these cameras out in the field. Next, I'll be giving it over to James, who will be talking more about the VLF receivers.
Hey guys, I'm also a first year PhD here in the Layer Lab. I'm working on getting some VLF receivers ready for setup over on the East Coast. We'll be going out in December or January to set up some receivers for a rocket experiment where we will have a receiver on a sounding rocket launching off the East Coast, which is going to measure how the VLF waves change as they go up into our ionosphere. And that's going to give us some really interesting data that we hope to analyze in the next year or so and get some really nice results out of that. But that's what I'm working on. And I think next you're going to talk to Riley, who will tell you a little bit more about the equipment we've got in our lab and what it's like to work here.
Hey guys, so I'm going to give you a quick tour of the lab. As you see, we've got a lot of really cool hardware. Over here is where one of our PhD students, Carolina, works, and she's working on a vectorized rubidium magnetometer for the CubeSat Cosmo. And over here we have some non-flight hardware for Canvas and Cosmo, the other two CubeSats. Here we can work on PCB design, doing things like developing hardware for all of these instrumentation projects. Here's an example of that. We've got an X-ray detector for the other CubeSat called APEX that Joe was talking about. And we're going to go this way. And right here we've got a 3D printer that we can use to prototype stuff for instrumentation and do fit checks and things like that. And you can follow me this way. So in here, this is the optical lab, and another one of our PhD students, Leanne, is working on meteors and plasmas and studying some experimental setup with that. So that's about it for the BASIL lab. It's an awesome place to work. We've got a lot of different backgrounds. We've got electrical engineers, mechanical engineers, physicists, scientists. I'm a chemical engineer myself, so everyone's coming in here bringing in something different, and we get to do a lot of really cool hardware, software, data analysis, whatever your jam is. I'm sure we can find it here. It's an awesome place to work, and we send things to space, which is super cool. So we hope to see you soon, and yeah, please check out our website.